Best Buy. Did I mention I hate Best Buy? Oh, it is about to get lit. That's the shit right there. But I think our DA is like negative 5,000 right now because of how cold it is outside. But along with saying why I recommend MPT, let me tell you 5 reasons really quickly why I recommend MPT for all you out there tuning your 3.7s. Because number one, proven power. So there was a dyno test and forums back in the day between Bama, Steeda, and MPT. I have to find it. If I find it, I'll post a link, but it's so old, I don't know if I will. Basically, there was a dyno test comparison between Bama, Steeda, and MPT, and MPT was ahead by a few horsepower between the three, so they did win the dyno comparison between those three companies. Of course, those were like the only main companies that were tuning back then for the 3.7. This is when it like first came out, when 2011, the 3.7 liter was like the shit, and now it's just like a peon. But just kidding. So the proven power. Look at Nick Miller's car. A lot of the fastest, 12-second all-motor 3.7s, most of them are on MPT tuning. AMR's creeping their way up there with their 12.9 pass, but they didn't do their own transmission tuning for that pass. Plus their car is stripped and there's like nothing to it. It's like a tin can, so we're not going to count that right now. But to prove my point, most of the 12-second cars that are on motor are naturally aspirated, are MPT tuned. So proven power definitely is number one. Number two is transmission tuning. You can see in these couple videos here on the 1 to 2, 2 to 3 shift, you can see how the car takes over really on these shifts. The MPT tuned car does. When I raced a Brent-speed car, it did. If you look at the video of Call Me Matt versus Ivan in the Thunderbird S550, you can see there too, even though he was drastically faster than Ivan, you can even see though in the shift points is where he gains a lot of momentum, which just proves MPT's transmission tuning.
AMR, long tube headers, and I got MPT, shorty headers. Both got 373s. He's got S550, I'm S197, so let's see it. Fucked up there, but I beat him.
And I've only had one transmission tune MPT car, which is my 5.0, which ran quicker than the Lund tune that I had for it, which partly I believe may have been because of a properly tuned transmission, which did help me get that extra 10th out of there. Because power-wise, they're pretty simple, pretty similar, but the MPT tune did consistently run faster than the track. If you guys want to see that video, I'll leave that down below also, which is a really cool race. Very close. I did post a time-lapse of those videos so you guys can see those as well too. So definitely a big fan of MPT's transmission tuning. I haven't seen another tuner that can quite tune the transmission as well as they can. I didn't like the Lund tune on my 5.0 for the transmission tuning. It just felt really very hard, very snappy. It was good, like they did something, but it wasn't smooth and quick like MPT's was. So yes, so reliability number three, I can't really see anybody having any problems with MPT tunes. I mean, I've been in these groups and Facebook and been on these cards for about 4 years now, and talked to, probably over 100 people that have had MPT tunes, probably more than that even, and nobody's really ever had any issues. Nobody's blown up or KO'd in an MPT tune. It's a very safe, reliable tune that makes great power. Reliability number three. Number four, customer service. You can't beat the customer service either. Yeah, if you want to be available on like 3 in the morning on a Saturday or something like that, 3 a.m. on Saturday or Sunday. But I don't know who needs help at that time. People do, but it's not that big of a deal to me. I'm cool with it Monday through Friday or Monday through Saturday customer service hours. The last 4 years I've had them, they've been amazing. I've never had any issues with them. If there was, it's like one time, and I think it was my fault, and they fixed it right away. They gave me like the wrong serial number or something for a new tuner I bought, and I couldn't figure it out, and finally I realized it was my fault. I gave them the wrong number. So, but they were still like helping me out the whole way through it, like they did something wrong, and I'm like, oh no, that was me. Number five, the price. The last final reason why I think MPT is a great tuner, $99. I don't know what other tuners are going for this, these days. I know they're one of the cheaper options, but they provide some of the best tunes. So for the price, you really can't go wrong, and for like 20-25 bucks for a tune update, you can't go wrong either. So those are reasons why I like MPT, why I'm sticking with them. Either way, yeah. If you guys are on an Xbox, hit me up. Oh, XGC Jacobs, Xbox One, hit me up. When I get Forza, we'll race.